we are going to discuss about the how to log in into the SAP system. Okay, then let me open the system. Okay, for time being, what I am using S4HANA system. Okay, for login, because both the ECC and S4HANA, everything is for login purpose the same way what we need to log in. Let me collapse this one. So let me, this, I could say this is the SAP logon pad, but the way of log on ECC 6.0, if you have done the installation or if it will be running with help of the VMware, this is where the icon what you can able to see. Most of the cases 99% for ECC. So the system which will run through the VMware only. Okay, so the inside of the VMware which you can able to find the SAP system. Let's see. Okay, how we need to log in into the, as soon as once you will open, you will get the pop-up. Then we need to enter username and password. Now this is the, now once you reach here, you can see here, if you try to directly log in with the SAP logon pad, it will not work for you. What you need to do here, first you need to activate the system. Okay. So since it is an offline system, you need to log on in this way. You need to enter the password here. Then so that this should come into the green state as soon as once you start using the offline ECC. Let it be just a moment. It will. Let it just come into the green state. This status always when you are logging into the status is a run state. What we could see here, it should be always it's a wait mode. Okay, then you just wait for some more time, so the status will get changed from run mode to wait mode. Then only you can start accessing. You can start logging now. Now you can see some of the records has turned into the wait mode. Okay, two records are fine. Now, how to log in into the system, but in real-time server, no need to do all these things because that will have their own setup. Okay, directly we need to go to SAP logon pad. This is the SAP logon pad. Just double click this one so that it will be popping up the screen like this. Okay, then you can go back and you can log in. Remember, if this is the logon pad, okay, now I mean in this logon pad you can able to, okay, have a multiple clients. Okay, multiple clients. What I am talking about here, let me go here. This will have clear visibility. So let us assume this is a one of the development server. Again, one more server you may have, it will be the quality server. One more server you will have the production server. Okay, so for each and client will have a individual username, individual passwords. Okay, it's up to you how you are going to set up the passwords. But most of the cases, 99% the username will be common. Then for each and every client will have a separate password. Okay, just remember that one. Now, as soon as once we try to click on log on here. Regarding this client, yesterday we have already discussed. Okay, for each client will have a, for each uh, client or each server will have a one or more clients. Okay, now you need to provide username. This username you need to aware of that one. Then enter the password. Then here the language, the system it is taking by default is a English language. Okay, if you want to log in any specific language, then that can be also possible. As I yesterday explained, let me try to. Then here D, I would like to log in into the German language. Let me try to enter. Okay, I will explain you about this one. What is this pop-up? Now you can see if I go here, the system, it has been logged into the German language. Now you can see here, you don't understand the language as compared with the this one. See, Office cross application components. Since this is the English language where we can able to see and we can understand. Now at the same time, you can see here, this has been logged into the other than local language. Remember, okay, as I explained yesterday, the SAP is going to support for 40 plus languages, 48 languages around. Okay, now I am going to logging of this one. At this moment, this does not require for us. Even you can see. Fine. Now, the point number one is a how to log in into the system we have seen. Then let us assume the same user ID is using multiple users. Okay, now I am using the same user ID and same password because I have my own user ID. For time being, I have shared that user ID to some X person. Or else, okay, I'm only the, I have logged already, I have logged into once in this client. But again, if I would like to log in with the same username, same password, let's see what system will say here. Here, see, now we are attempting multiple logins with the single username. In that situation, what system is asking here, whether you would like to terminate this session. See, system is here showing the three options, whether you would like to terminate this session or else if you want to continue with this login without ending other sessions. Other sessions, this I have already logged in here. I do not want to close the existing login, even though I want to continue with this session. Okay, then okay, fine. So now this is the one, continue with this login and end any other sessions. Let us assume, okay, now I have already logged into here. Now, if I select this one, what will happen? The system will log in, open one more screen here. It will end this session. We'll see the options, how it is going to work. Okay, terminate, we understood. Okay, terminate means it will not open any screen. See now, it is not yet opened. Only you can able to see, only this is the one. Okay, it has been opened. Now let me try to one more time. Let me try to log in. Now I do not want to see, now only one SAP screen I have opened here. Remember, here continue with this login without ending other sessions. First, let me see the option number one. See, if somebody already logged in with the same username, or you might have logged in, you do not want to, you want to close all other sessions, you want to continue with this session. Just select this one, enter. See now what system is giving that some message. Now you can see system has been closed the existing session. Now it is opening the new session. See now it is open only one session. See now this is a logon pad. This is the where we started the SAP system.